Dr. Sair, I'm from Penn State, Harrisburg. I joined Penn State about 2 years ago, and major focus is plant biotechnology. I've been in the field for the past 12 years, working with major Fortune 500 companies, and I've been involved with my own startup companies and different ways. So primarily it's biofuels, vaccine production. So we like to use plants as factories, pharmaceutical factory. So conventionally you do you have a bioreactor where you can produce vaccine, which is very expensive, but we like to use plants as source for vaccines. So that's something that I've been involved with. So we are working in the areas of cellulosic ethanol, biodiesel from switchgrass, miscanthus, Jatropha, camelina, so all these different second generation biofuels. So besides that, I do teach. I have an extensive teaching responsibility at Penn State, Harrisburg.
In your spare time,
In
right?
my
You
spare
teach.
time, yeah. So that's my brief introduction, and I think it's all in the bio about the thing. So I pass it on to Matt.
Hi, greetings. My name is Matt Steinman, also from Dickinson College. I am the assistant manager of the organic farm and the technical advisor of the Dickinson College biodiesel project. My field is, I guess, my day-to-day job is environmental education. Somewhat on an informal basis, I was adjunct faculty at Wilson College in Chambersburg for about 5 years before I came here. For the past 3 years, I've been working here for the organic farm and the biodiesel program. I've been the happy recipient of 2 projects from the ITN Seed Assistance Grants. Our organic farm developed, working with a private sector partner called Solar Tech of PA, we developed an innovative model for heating a greenhouse using solar energy. And then in 2008, the biodiesel program applied to research alternative uses for the glycerol byproduct from our production program, working with Keystone Biofuels in Shiremanstown. So currently I'm not a formal educator, I'm more of an informal educator, but my day-to-day job is working with students in environmental education programs. The organic farm at the college is one where we do both production of organic vegetables and hands-on education on a day-to-day basis with our students. So it's a pleasure for me to work here as well, and a pleasure to have you here at Dickinson. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Brian McNew, EarthNet Energy. We're an alternative energy company in Chambersburg, and I am not an educator. Hopefully I'm a decent businessman. And I'm a graduate of Shippensburg University also, so I got to put that little plug in there. We think that we specialize in the research and development of alternative energy products, and mostly the solar thermal collectors. And what we want to do is we want to keep jobs in the United States. We want to produce products for United States individuals and companies, industrial, commercial. And we had the opportunity then also to work with some of the universities around, and one was Hans here at Dickinson College, and with a few individuals from Shippensburg University. And we feel privileged to be able to have the opportunity as a business, local business, in a new field that really is uncharted, to have the privilege of being able to make something in an alternative energy field in our continent here in the United States, and to do that in a way that we can compete against the world. And that's where we're at, and we're looking to establish relationships where we can with the knowledge of universities to help us propel us through that environment and take that trip together as we move things.